I am in Jacksonville, Florida, and as I was passing through, a few problems came up with the truck. So I partnered with Mavis Tire and Brakes in Jacksonville, Florida, right off of Beach Boulevard. It is so hot in Florida. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. One of the repairs being done to the truck is the steering damper or steering stabilizer. The steering damper I decided to go with is by the manufacturer Monroe, and I know this part is going to be great, and I know it's going to get some of that steering under control. A steering damper is an important part, but it's no replacement for actually getting damaged parts replaced. So remember that. This stuff is serious. Don't play with broken parts. Get them replaced. As we were evaluating the steering damper, we noticed that the tie rods needed to be replaced as well. So I decided to go with Moog tie rods. Moog is a very trusted brand, and I know these parts will be a great upgrade. My steering was all over the place. It was really difficult to keep the truck on the road. Do not play with your steering. Go get it evaluated and inspected. Here is the steering damper that was installed. It doesn't take Chris and Jimmy any time at all to get this steering damper off. The damper that was on there was by Ford Motorcraft. Now they are replacing the old damper with the part from Monroe. Now it is time to get those tie rods off. Using a variety of tools and techniques, they were able to get the tie rod off with very few issues. They start removing the old tie rod. These parts from Moog look incredible. Now Chris is attaching the new tie rod, trying to get it as close as possible to the original setting.
The old tie rod. This is all the play that's in it. This is the new one. There's no play in it at all. You got to make sure that that stud is nice and straight when we go to feed it in, so that our wheels are perfectly aligned with each other across both sides.
Now, what about the play?
If you got a lot of play in your outer tie rod, your wheel is just going to shake while you're driving, because that's what's supposed to hold it in that same straight position.
Very dangerous.
Extremely dangerous. It can literally shake your wheel off of your vehicle. I've seen it happen. If you got a lot of play in your steering system and your wheel is shaking while you're driving, it can shear a ball joint and your whole hub will leave your vehicle. I mean, this whole assembly will just roll away from your truck and your truck will drop. End of story.
And by connection, it takes the other side with it.
Sometimes, not always, but if one side falls off, you need to replace everything anyways.
Good point.
Because structural integrity is gone at that point.
No telling what else is damaged in the process.
Exactly.
You know, it's never just one thing.
It never is. And if it is, you're extremely lucky, and I would probably go play the lotto.
Now it's just a matter of tightening everything up, getting the wheels back on. Now we're going to watch Chris reinstall this tire and complete this job. And here's the truck. Brand new tie rods and steering damper. As it turns out, my truck was way too long to be aligned at this location, but that's the thing about Mavis. They have so many other locations. They just ran my truck over to another location and got it aligned. The RV life can be amazing, but issues come up all the time. It is not a question of if, It's a question of when. And if you need repairs done, check out Mavis Tire and Brakes. Quick shout out to Jimmy and Chris for all the hard work they did on this truck. Thank you so much for partnering with the channel. I do appreciate it. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. And if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.